Friends, I'm back. The machine I'm going to do with this video is neighbor on the Chahakimi. I've already spawned the machine earlier. This is the IP address. This machine is not a kind of boot to loot one. We may exploit the vulnerability of the IDOR or insecure direct object reference. Yet this vulnerability can allow hacker or allow us to, in this case, allow us to access resource object without authentication. So without further ado, let's just get started. Of course, if you don't mind, again, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. This will greatly help me on the YouTube robots. Okay, so I use the start box, attack box, which provided by the Chahakimi to do this penetration. And for this case, we do not need to do the port scanning with a map. And now we can open up our browser to emulate the web application manually first. And we can put the IP address of the target into the address bar of a browser. Press enter. Yeah, this is the simple login page. And here at the bottom, saying you don't have an account, use the guest account, Control+U. And we can check the source code of this page. So here there is one comment saying use guest, guest credentials until registration is fixed. Admin user. So I think from this comment we can know that the two usernames, right? We can note it down onto our notebook. Cancel. So the username should be usernames, guest, and also admin. And the guest, the password for the guest user is also guest. Okay, and now we can go ahead. Next, we can check whether this site has a robot file. Not found. Then we can use some sort of the tool to do the automatic emulation, because the methodology, as I mentioned very often, the methodology is very, very important for the penetration testing, right? Nicto. And the IP address. Press enter. You know, Nicto can reveal information about the web application, including the server version information, and also the header information. And also will email out some files or directory. So of course we need to check them manually by browser. We can open up this one. So we can access the DB PHP file. Nothing returned. And also we can check the source code. Nothing there. And next we can check or access login PHP. Login PHP. Yeah, we got the default or home page of the user login. Next, I think we need to do the directory emulation with GoBuster, right? And use the dir command to emulate the directories. And we can use option of U or URL to specify the target 19, and use option of W to specify the word list Of course, my favorite word list is Dear Buster. I always use this word list to make directory enumeration. Word list, Dear Buster, directory, medium. And I'd like to specify the extension option, text, back. Let's press enter. Yeah, very quick. We have already got some files. Of course, this one we have already reviewed earlier. And the DB, maybe we can access this directory DB. However, it's forbidden. We don't have permission to access this resource. Now go back, and the next is assets. Press enter, forbidden. Okay, now the profile, PHP. Profile. Yeah, we are automatically redirected to the home page or user login page. Now we can go back. I think Buster cannot find any other directories besides this one. So I'd like to interrupt it here. So I think we have already done almost everything for the enumeration with web application. It's time to go back to the browser to take a closer look at to see what is going on with this user login, right? So maybe we can use the guest and guest to log in. Login? Yeah, hi guest. Welcome to our site. Try not to peep your neighbor's profile. Here, as you can see, from this URL, we can know that the two parts. This is the URL, and the next or the later part is parameter. The parameter name is user, and the value is guest. So also instructed by the room, they check out the similar content on Chahakmi, IDOR, insecure direct object reference. Maybe we can also, from the comments we got from the source code of this page, we have already know that the administrator's username is admin. So we can check whether we can directly replace the username guest by admin. Admin. Press enter. As you can see, we have already got the admin access. Welcome to your site. The flag is here. And we can copy and submit to the room. We can copy. Okay, congratulations. So this is what the IDOR, or insecure direct object reference vulnerability, means. We can access specific resource object without authentication. Okay, so that's pretty much it, which is, this room is very, very easy to do. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.